Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a law student, bar reviewee, legal practitioner, or just someone looking to better understand the law, you're in the right place. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest legal insights.
Can NCIP officials be held liable for irregular budget realignments? The case of Bilibli, Odsey, and Pawid versus Commission on Audit focuses on whether officials of the National Commission on Indigenous Peoples can be held personally liable for unauthorized scholarship expenditures. In 2012, the NCIP entered into a memorandum of agreement with Ateneo de Manila University to fund a master's in public management program for 24 NCIP officials. Tuition and other fees totaled over 1.4 million Cuban pesos. To fund the program, the NCIP realigned and used savings from its 2011 budget. However, the scholarship was not included in the agency's approved 2012 budget, and the Commission on Audit issued a notice of disallowance, citing these reasons. The scholarship program was not part of NCIP's mandated functions. The funds realigned from the 2011 budget were not appropriated for the scholarship program in 2012. The program was considered excessive, as state universities could have provided similar education at lower costs. COA further found that public bidding was not conducted, and several scholars already held master's degrees, undermining the necessity of the program. The NCIP argued that the realigned funds were lawful and that the program supported the professional development of its officials. However, COA maintained that the expenses were irregular, unnecessary, and without legal basis. The case boiled down to a single issue: did the Commission on Audit gravely abuse its discretion by holding NCIP officials personally liable for funding an unapproved scholarship program? The Supreme Court upheld the notice of disallowance and ruled that COA did not commit grave abuse of discretion. It emphasized the following: no legal basis. The scholarship was not authorized under the General Appropriations Act of 2012, and savings cannot be used to fund programs not included in the agency's approved budget. Bad faith. The NCIP officials violated budgetary laws and fiscal policies, showing bad faith by disregarding clear legal provisions on the proper use of public funds. The court also affirmed COA's decision to excuse Ateneo de Manila University and the scholars from liability, focusing accountability solely on the NCIP officials who approved and facilitated the unauthorized expenditure. This case underscores a critical principle in public administration. Public funds must be used strictly for authorized purposes, with strict adherence to fiscal accountability and transparency. Mismanagement or unauthorized use of public money, no matter how well-intentioned, can lead to personal liability for government officials.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, stay tuned for the upcoming content. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more in store that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.